I just know what the doctor said. 84 years of a sinning life, and in the morning I'll be dead. I had 3 daughters, a new man for everyone. With my only son, I was a no good mother, I was a no good wife. There's only one thing that I did right in this godforsaken life. So Saint Peter, won't you open up the big wide gate? 'Cause I heard about forgiveness and I hope it ain't too late. No, I ain't no holy roller, but you go tell your king that all the folks up in heaven might like to hear me say, straight so far. Sing for my lover, or a nickel in a tip jar. I never knew Jesus, I never read the good book, but on my day of dying, I'm giving life a second look. Oh, Saint Peter, won't you open up the big wide gate? 'Cause I heard about forgiveness and I hope it ain't too late. No, I ain't no holy roller, but you won't tell your king that all the folks up in heaven might like to hear me say, it's coming on time now, and my body's getting cold. I got no will and I got no prayer. My story's all been told. I'm ready for the land of fire, but I'd love to see the land of gold. So nurse, bring me my guitar.